Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Clean your coffee grinder's burrs regularly to get rid of leftover grounds and oils that cause noise. Tighten any loose screws to stop rattling. Place a silicone or rubber mat under the grinder to absorb vibrations. Also, keep it on a stable surface. If your grinder's manufacturer suggests, lightly oil the moving metal parts for smoother, quieter grinding.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.